Hello, this is Nick from Dripper Labs, and this walkthrough is just a simple reminder that a lot of the information that you might be looking for is already available in our help pages. So from here you can jump to some of the more common topics that you might have. So let's say, for example, you're interested in learning more about setting your slider strengths. You can go here, learn about the slider overall. There's lots of good examples and showing how different ingredients can be used and how you can build a variety of profiles by setting slider strengths in different ways. And that's just one page. So for every section that you're in, you'll have a whole load of subsections. Like, for example, you can start right from the top with the basics of what is in our creator as an overview. If we go back up here, you can also see about writing notes and new revisions and those kind of things. So lots of good help here, regularly updated and well worth looking at. As well as learning about creating your own flavors, you can get some explanations around choosing the bottle configuration, which you've already covered. The videos are a nice way to do it, but if you just want to read it and see the information maybe with more examples, then that is another option. So do check out the help. If you do want to search up here, for example, you can search for questions up here as well and get straight to articles that will help you answer the questions you're looking for. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can also submit a help request. This is all done by Zendesk, and there's a few tools in there. We will get a notification and we'll be able to reply to your query and get back to you as soon as we can. So if you have any questions, check out the help. It's all good stuff, and hopefully will help you find out what you're looking for. We'll see you in the next video where we start to go into a bit more detail on some of the key topics that we haven't covered yet. See you there.